So some investigations have happened on the rust situation, and as you can see, it's pretty rusty. That hole there goes down into the A pillar, and yeah, I cut this outer piece off here to look in there. So that there's a hole, I think, somewhere in there that goes, oh no, there, no, I don't know, somewhere that goes into the engine bay. And yeah, so we're going to be pulling this apart a bit more. I'm going to take this outer skin off all the way back up here, down there, then weld some stuff in there, I think, and certainly seal off that cavity and try and stop this rust from progressing further. And yeah, the other side's much the same. You can see in here, this is the inside of the A pillar where the ECU normally lives. There's all this expandable foam looking junk that's probably soaking up lots of moisture and helping the rust progress, and you can see the rust flakes in there from us poking around. So if you own one of these and you want to save a car's life, get into it, stop it from happening, because it is pretty bad. But I'll fix it, it'll be fixed. So we're going to seal up that hole, and then I don't know what we're going to do with this, whether we fix that or just strengthen it, you know, just down there, just to add a bit of rigidity. Probably doesn't do a whole lot. That's it.